Resistance bands set 150 lbs/200 lbs exercise resistance bands with handles, 5-tube fitness bands with door anchor, elastic bands for exercise, physical therapy, home workouts. We designed the latest resistance bands set after market research and communication with fitness experts. Upgraded resistance bands made of 100% natural latex and high-density nylon webbing make it more elastic and durable, safe and reliable. The optimized accessories like handles use the highest quality materials in the market, can guarantee your training goes perfectly, effectively help you to train full body muscles, building your core. 5-level exercise bands set Whatafit resistance bands set come with 5 different resistance levels, 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, 40 pounds and 50 pounds in 5 different colors, both in 51. You can use the bands independently or in any combination with a maximum resistance level of 150 pounds. You can clearly feel the muscle building up after every stretch. HPYGN resistance band set, exercise bands with handles, ankle straps, door anchor, carry bag, great for resistance training, physical therapy, yoga, home workouts. We have completely optimized this fitness band based on customers' feedback, improved the traditional production process, and adopted a new type of latex material to make the tension rope more durable and elastic, and to longer the life of product, and harmless to our health. We optimized all of the selective accessories regardless of cost. It could bear the intense daily exercise with the strengthened buckle and reinforcing carabiner. 5 different levels. The resistance bands come with 5 different resistance level: 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, 40 pounds and 50 pounds in 5 different colors. You can use the bands independently or in any combination with a maximum resistance level of 150 lbs. Whatafit resistance bands set, 11 PCS, exercise bands with door anchor, handles, carry bag, legs, ankle straps for resistance training, physical therapy, home workouts. 100% natural latex. Imported. Different color adjustable resistance bands: yellow, 10 pounds, blue, 20 pounds, green, 30 pounds, black, 40 pounds, red, 50 pounds. All Whatafit exercise bands are 36 in length, and can be used alone stacked in any combination to a maximum equivalent of 150 pounds. Multifunction and portable, our resistance bands can apply to different types exercise. Good for toning your arms, shoulders, chest, glutes, legs, etc. Also comes with convenient travel pouch. You can also take your bands to gym, office, etc. Good quality materials. Resistance band is made of natural latex, is kind to the environment. Strong wear resistance and great elasticity, non-slip handle, comfortable and absorbent.